Are you ready to enhance your DrayTek networking skills? Join us for an exclusive one-day workshop in Perth. This workshop is designed for DrayTek resellers, network administrators, and anyone interested in maximizing the potential of DrayTek products. We invite all DrayTek resellers and network administrators to learn about the latest offerings and advanced configuration techniques. Save the date, Thursday, the 5th of February 2026. The event will take place at the Metro Hotel, 61 Canning Highway, South Perth, Western Australia. This exclusive workshop is proudly hosted by Island Technology, the official Australian and New Zealand distributor of DrayTek networking products. The workshop is a full-day event packed with valuable insights, theory, and practical hands-on sessions. Get direct experience with DrayTek products, allowing you to test every discussed scenario and build confidence in configuration. We've structured the course to cover the most essential and advanced topics in DrayTek network management. Part 1 focuses on general maintenance tasks in both DrayOS 4 and DrayOS 5 DrayTek routers, working through the system maintenance menu options. It includes various ways to upgrade the router firmware and features practical sessions to reinforce the content covered in this module. Part 2 continues from Part 1, exploring diagnostic functions and reviewing software management tools and diagnostic features available in DrayTek routers. This can help in troubleshooting common issues. It provides you with the tools to diagnose and maintain optimal network health. Once again, it includes practical hands-on exercises to reinforce the content covered in this module. The afternoon session introduces the DrayTek Vigor ACS3 network management platform, explaining its functions and operations. It highlights its benefits and outlines the necessary system requirements. Each feature is described in detail, and practical hands-on sessions will guide you in setting up and using it effectively. Beyond the technical training, this event offers unique opportunities for networking and collaboration. Meet our sales and technical teams in person. This is your chance to ask detailed questions and even suggest improvements to DrayTek products. Similar workshops in Sydney, Brisbane, Melbourne, Adelaide, and New Zealand have received incredibly positive feedback, with participants finding the training highly beneficial. We've ensured a smooth experience by covering all the necessary logistics and amenities for the day. Rest assured, all essential equipment and comprehensive training materials will be provided for the workshop. Light refreshments and lunch are included. Plus, enjoy the convenience of free parking and proximity to public transportation. Remember to bring your notebook or a laptop equipped with an Ethernet port for the practical, hands-on sessions. In addition, each participant will receive a certificate of participation, which includes the course topics. This will attest your proficiency in the course contents and help to promote your services to potential customers. Places for this exclusive event are available now, but spaces are limited. To register your interest in attending this highly valuable workshop, please click on the registration link provided in the description below. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to meeting you there.